Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to turn off Gmail app playback on your Android device. If you're tired of Gmail notifications interrupting your videos or music playback, follow these simple steps to disable it. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Next, find the Apps option and tap on it. Scroll through the list of apps until you find the Gmail app. Tap on it to open the app settings. Now, look for the Appear on Top option within the app settings and tap on it. This setting allows the Gmail app to appear on top of other apps, which can cause interruptions during playback. Finally, locate the Allow Permission option and turn it off. This will prevent the Gmail app from displaying notifications on top of other apps while you're watching videos or listening to music. By following these steps, you can enjoy uninterrupted playback on your Android device without being interrupted by Gmail notifications. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.